Welcome to this Garri production process. Today I'll be taking you on a journey to show you how this popular Nigerian staple is made, from cassava tubers to the final product. I will guide you through every step. Garri is a beloved food in Nigeria, and its production involves a combination of traditional techniques and modern machinery. I'm proud to share our experience with you and hope you will enjoy this behind the scenes look. The journey begins with the selection of high quality cassava tubers. The tubers are sourced from local farmers who share our commitment to quality. The tubers are carefully inspected to ensure it meets the standards. Next, we wash and peel the tubers to prepare them for grinding. This is where the magic happens and our cassava tubers start to transform into garri. Now, we grind the cassava into a fine paste. The process requires precision and patience, but the end result is well worth the effort. Here, the grinding process is still happening. It is being grinded to a very smooth paste. The outcome of the garri starts from this grinding process. If you miss it here, you've missed it all. This is a time where you add your palm oil to the paste. After grinding, you can add your palm oil to get the yellow garri. Those ones that comes out yellowish. This is a time where you add your palm oil to the grinded garri. After grinding, we'll sieve the mixture to remove any lumps or impurities. This ensures that our garri is smooth and consistent in texture. The final step is frying the garri to give it that distinctive crunchy texture. Watch as we carefully monitor the temperature and texture to achieve the perfect garri. And that's it. Our garri is now ready for consumption. We are proud of the hard work and dedication that goes into producing each batch. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for videos on Nigerian cuisines and culture, and for more and more yummy recipes. I will see you in the next video. Bye.